Hi students, today in class we are going to refer model question paper of sociology for first year PU students. Let's start our class. The first question is write the name of a Western sociologist. Max Weber, Karl Marx, Herbert Spencer. Write any one. Give an example of for secondary institutions. The examples of secondary institutions are education, law, legislation. Mention any two characteristics of folkways. Social in nature. Folkways are innumerable, unplanned origin. The next question is state any one feature of conflict. Conflict is a universal. Conflict is a conscious action. List any two secondary functions of family. Economic function, religious function. The answer is economic function and religious function. How the term education derived? The term education is derived from the Latin word educare, which means to bring up, to rear, and to bring faith. The next question is mention any two factors of social change. The factors of social change are geographical factor, technological factor, cultural factor. The next question is write any one type of applied science. The answer is all branches of engineering, medicine, social work. Mention any works of Max Weber or books. The answer is the principle of social and economic organization. Give two characteristics of social change. Social change is universal. Social change is change in community. The next question is give one definition of social change. You have to write any one which you remember. Here I mention M.E. Jones definition for social change. Social change is a term used to describe variations in our modification of any aspects of social process, social patterns, social interactions, and social organizations. Mention any two functions of education. The functions of education are preservative function and reformative function. State any one primary function of family. Status transmission. Who is the author of the book The History of Human Marriage? The answer is Edward Westmark. The next question is state any one factor for the emergence of sociology. Impact of twin revolutions, French Revolution and the Industrial Revolution. Give an example of vertical group. The answer is caste group and economic classes. How is the term society derived? The term society is derived from Latin word socius, which means companionship or friendship. Mention any one characteristics of assimilation. The answer is assimilation is an unconscious process. Assimilation is a slow and gradual process. Who introduced the concept Oedipus complex? Sigmund Freud introduced the concept of Oedipus complex. Mention any two stages of socialization. The answer is the oral stage, the anal stage, or Oedipal stage. Who wrote the book Protestant Ethic and Spirit of Capitalism? The answer is Max Weber. So these are the questions carrying 1 mark and 2 marks. Hope it helped you. Thanks for listening.